Friday with me for class. I am just not feeling it this morning. I have an irritation bump on my eyebrow piercing because I keep hitting that bitch 30 times a day. It is the most frustrating thing. I keep forgetting it's there, or I'm like doing something and then I accidentally hit it. Taking a shower last night and I think I hit it like 10 times. And I saw that last night, the little bump, and I literally got so scared. I immediately called my boyfriend to ask him about it. And he said he thinks it's just an irritation bump, but it'll go away like on its own. I was gonna put a little bit of concealer on, but now I'm just putting it all over my damn face. I really want to try the milk concealer. It looks insane. I saw this girl use it and I was just like, oh my god. Like, it just looks so nice on the skin. I still cannot believe that I got my eyebrow pierced. I literally am like shocked at myself for doing it. I wanted to do it, but like I was just so scared what everybody else would think. I've been wanting a piercing since high school. Just a nose piercing. I'm glad I didn't get it though, because I don't think I would look good in a nose piercing. I feel like my nose is way too big right here. Like, I just don't think I would look good in a nose piercing. I always wanted piercings and stuff, but my parents wouldn't let me. And then I finally was like, I'm just gonna get one now, especially because my boyfriend was doing it and I would have somebody to go with and do it with, so it made the situation a lot better because I don't want to do that alone, you know? So I ended up just booking the appointment and it all worked out okay. It's just this damn irritation bump that I'm dealing with because I keep freaking hitting it. I was watching Gabriette's makeup and I'm doing it. It's like super easy. It's nothing crazy because I can't be wearing eyeshadow or anything. My eyeliner is so messed up, if you can tell. I mean, you definitely can. But it's so bad. I need to buy a new one. I just haven't. But basically, she just like puts it literally like right on her lash line. And she only goes halfway. She does it thinner than that. I just messed up. She doesn't smudge it out, but I have to because I messed up. I'm gonna get a Q-tip and clean it up because hers is super, super thin. And I'm gonna do it to the other eye and then I'll be back. I actually kind of like doing that. It's like not too crazy. It's just something subtle. Honestly, I probably did it a little too thick. I'm just curling my lashes because I have the flattest lashes in the world. I seriously feel like having curly hair ruins my vibe. Like, it just doesn't look, even though it's my natural hair, it doesn't look good on me. I feel like the curly hair just looks way too much. Like, it's just like, bro. So the next thing that she does is she gets some eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Vivid Rich one in Always Onyx. It's just a retractable liner. And I'm gonna add it to the lash line and the waterline, whatever. She just goes like this and just adds it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I don't like doing it like that. I'm just gonna do it how I always do it. She like doesn't even wear that much makeup, but I have a fat ass nose and I need to contour my face. I don't think she was putting on bronzer. Like, I'm pretty sure she only did mascara, the eye stuff that I did, and then concealer. I don't think I saw her put on bronzer or blush, but I also don't remember. I might not do blush. I don't really care about blush that much. I cannot not contour my nose, I'm sorry. Put a little bit of concealer here. I really want to get the House Labs foundation, but it's like $50 and I don't really have $50 to spend right now, so. Oh my god, also I finally baked cookies. I haven't baked in so freaking long. I made some chocolate chip cookies and they came out so good. I added toffee in them too. Like, they were insane. The recipe that I used was so good. I loved how they came out. It was so nice being able to bake. I just haven't baked in so long. I'm gonna add on mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal telescopic one. I have an exam tomorrow and I'm so scared for it because I seriously, I don't know how it's gonna go. It's like so much information. It's like, what the hell? We literally get out of school in 2 weeks. Like, it's just this week. Next week is finals and that's it. And of course I have a fucking final Friday at like 2:30 in the afternoon, but I just can't believe that. It's actually insane that we're getting out of school in 2 weeks, like, and then it's summer. But I'm not even gonna have a summer this year because I'm in the McNair program at my school, and basically you just stay here for 3 months and you do research with like another professor. I am so nervous for it. I just don't even know what the hell I'm gonna research yet. I don't have a teacher that I know. Like, I don't have any close relationships with any of my professors. Like, I don't. Like, I don't think I've ever had a teacher that I actually really love. Only one, but he's like a con law professor, so like I can't work with him for that. I don't think I'm gonna do anything relating to criminal justice or anything like that. It's just a lot, but like I'm grateful to be in it, but I'm like so nervous because I really don't like where I'm at, like where I go to school. I just really don't like it here, and like the fact that I have to be here alone for 3 months, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I have to do this because like as a psych major, you really need to go to graduate school to get a really good job, honestly. It's just how it is, unfortunately. I didn't even say that the McNair program just like helps you get into grad school. That's why I'm doing it. If you didn't know, but it's just to prep you for grad school and help you with like applying and stuff like that. I'm so scared, and then you have to like present your research at this like event, and me and presenting, absolutely the hell not. Like I cannot speak. I forget everything. I'm like visibly shaking. The last time I gave a presentation, it was a group presentation too, mind you. It wasn't even like that bad. It was a group presentation, so we all had little parts. I had a loose leaf paper because for some reason I didn't have note cards, and I was literally shaking so bad. The paper was just like moving back and forth. It was so embarrassing, and I asked my group members, I'm like, did y'all see that paper shaking? And they were like, yeah. And I'm like, y'all could have at least lied to me. Like that is so embarrassing. Like I have the worst anxiety. I hate presenting so much. I really do. And then also like, what if my research project ends up being really bad and it's just like I'm embarrassing myself with how bad this is? What if I can't even get into grad school and I did all of this crap for nothing? I put powder on. Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Been using this stuff for a while now. I like their pressed powder too. It's so good. Put a little of this Maybelline concealer on the sides here, just a tiny bit. I don't think I'm gonna put on blush today. I just don't really want to wear any. I'm gonna do my lip combo now that I've been obsessed with, which is the NYX Line Loud in Rebel Kind. I feel like my lips look so bizarre right now. Yeah, I did not put my lip liner on properly. I don't know what the hell happened. Let me try to like clean this up. I accidentally grabbed the wrong concealer, as you can tell, because it's so damn white. It sucks that I can't do any like eye makeup stuff because of my piercing. I feel like my videos are like so boring right now. It sucks, but I'm not gonna risk getting it infected. So unfortunately I do need to go to class. I'm gonna end the video here. I do love how my makeup looks. I'm gonna do my eye makeup like this way more often for sure, but I'm gonna have the products in the caption if you do want to know what I used, and I seriously need to go. So bye guys.